Seeing that secure vehicle against rolling warning on your mini dash? You can fix it yourself for under $1. The problem isn't your parking brake, the actuators, or the cables. It's a tiny torsion spring inside your Steptronic gear shifter assembly, and it was designed to fail. Here's why it happens. Every time you shift into park, a small wire spring inside the shifter flexes. After thousands of cycles, the metal fatigues and snaps. This is a predictable failure on all third-generation Minis, from the F54 to the F60. When that spring breaks, a small plastic arm inside the shifter goes slack. It can no longer rotate to position a magnet next to a sensor. That sensor's job is to tell the car's body domain controller that the shifter is physically in the park position. Without that signal, the computer logs fault code 420106, assuming the lever isn't locked, even when the transmission is mechanically secure. The car drives fine, but you get that warning chime every single time you park. The dealer solution is replacing the entire sealed shifter assembly. Part number 2516848397. It's a $1,000 part, designed to be thrown away because of one broken spring they don't sell separately. We're not going to do that. First, you'll need to get the center console trim out of the way. Once you can see it, remove the 4 T20 Torx screws holding the assembly to the car's frame. You can now lift the entire unit out to work on it. Next, you have to carefully open the sealed plastic housing. Use a small pry tool and work your way around the seam, releasing the clips. Inside, you'll find the broken spring. It's often in 2 pieces. Clear out any debris. Then install the new part. Don't use another factory-style spring that will just break again. A stronger, generic torsion spring or a solid 3D printed replacement is a permanent fix. You're not just replacing a part, you're installing an upgrade that corrects the original design flaw. Finally, snap the housing back together and reinstall the assembly. Your shifter will now be more reliable than a new one from the dealer. Ignoring this won't stop the car from driving, but you'll have to live with that constant warning. So before you order a new shifter, check this spring. The fix might only take an hour.